I was visiting a friend and she had a towel warmer. So I searched everywhere for the perfect one, and this one is not only a towel warmer, but it's also a blanket warmer. This is so amazing. The comfort and just the feeling you get after a cold shower and you just want a warm towel. It's winter, it's cold, and you just want some comfort. Let me show you. Here we have the towel warmer and blanket warmer plugged in. It does come with a very easy and friendly user manual with all the different components and how to use it, and more specifically, the display details, which we're gonna go on. We're gonna use the button to turn it on. It's gonna give us the internal temperature that's right there. We can change how long we want the towel warmer to be on for. After 10 seconds, it will automatically start kicking in. Very cool. You see how it has an L. This is for low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperature. In here, we have this. This is the fragrance disc holder. So you can place in little disc holders to add fragrance to your towels or your blankets. It also has a child lock. We're going to use the reservation mode. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to select medium temperature, and we're going to put it for an hour, and this is the reservation button. So after that, it will start working. And over here, there is tons of storage, so there is a lot of space. Let me show you how I fill this up. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 towels. Now we're gonna lock it. There you go. Super light. Just perfect.